Hey everyone, Karen here with Photo SEO Lab, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a user from your WordPress site. So let's go and have a look at the back end of WordPress. This is the dashboard view, and you'll see just kind of down here on the left hand side we've got users. So if you click on users, this is where your SEO person or your designer that you've worked with would be, and this is where you can remove them. However, there's a couple of things to check first. Removing them is really easy, just hover over, click delete. However, I'm going to show you what you need to check first, and this is really important. So the first thing we're going to look at is what your admin address is for WordPress. And to find that out, we're going to go to settings and general. So in here at the moment, we have the correct email address. But if this was the email address of maybe your design company or a web developer or someone else has helped you, you need to switch that first, okay? Otherwise, that's going to kind of cause problems that they're going to be getting all the emails for your website. So if that's the case, you need to switch it with your own, and then it only becomes live when you confirm it. So you need to look out for that email, hit confirm as soon as it comes in. While you're waiting for that, you might want to just do a password reset on that other user. How to do that would be head to users. We don't want to send them the password reset. We want to change it, but we don't necessarily want to actually send them an email. So if you just click edit and then scroll down the page, and then you can just set new password, and you're not going to send the reset link. Just set new password and then click update at the blue button at the bottom there, just behind my head, there, update user. Okay. The other thing that you need to check on this user is whether they have any content attributed to them. So if we look right over the right hand side of the screen here at what posts are attributed to each user, you see that the SEO agency example has a post attributed to them. So we need to be really careful that when we remove them, we don't lose that content. So when you click delete, you're going to be asked if you want to attribute the content to someone else. So it's best to just check what posts are attributed to them first, and make sure that you click the right thing. You might want to go and just manually change those posts initially so that they don't have anything attributed to them if you feel better about that. But I'm going to show you the example of what that looks like when you try and delete someone that does have content attributed to them. So if we just click on delete, you'll see that this comes up with what should be done with the content owned by this user. So you don't want to delete all content, okay? You'd click attribute all content and then choose yourself. If we then click confirm deletion, you'll see that they're no longer on the site. They're not going to be able to access that anymore, and that's them safely removed. Got any questions? Feel free to head over to Facebook and ask me on the page.